everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm doing this makeup tutorial. I haven't done this in a really long time, so I thought I would make this fun summer eye look for you guys. I basically mainly focus on the red tones. Also, all the products will be listed down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Follow me on social media. It's at Jemima Lane for everything. It's Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. If you guys want to get this look, just keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to spritz my face with Badescu Rosewater, and then I'm going to moisturize my lips with Beige and prime my face with Blemish Control by Smashbox. Then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills in dark brown pomade. And I'm cleaning up my eyebrows with NYX Paint Pot Soap Ochre, and I'm using that to prime my eyelid. Then I'm using the Huda palette Rose Gold palette, and I'm taking this brown color and it's called Sandalwood. I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. Then I'm taking this red color, it's called Man Eater, and I'm using a flat brush to darken up my outer V, then gradually blend it with the Sandalwood color. Using the color Burnt Orange by Anastasia, and I'm brushing that on my crease again. For some reason the camera stopped recording, but I used these two red color shades and I just packed it on my outer V. And then I'm taking this NYX Glitter Primer and I'm using the Rose Gold Glitter. It's like a textured glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just using my fingers to dab that. Fiber mascara from Huda Beauty, and all my products will be listed down below. And I'm taking the leftover from the Man Eater eyeshadow and just sweeping that under my waterline. Also put mascara on the bottom lashes. Wispies by Ardell. I'm also putting mascara on it to make it look dramatic. For my inner corner, I use the ABH palette and it's called the Vermeer eyeshadow. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Laura Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 108. And I did the eye makeup first because the glitter usually like falls out. So yeah, I'm doing my face last. And I'm taking my beauty sponge to blend all that over my face and my neck. For my concealer, I'm using the Tarte, and I think it's in the shade Medium Honey. And then I'm setting my face with a banana shade from Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. For contouring, I just used the Kat Von D palette. Contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead to make it look smaller. And I'm taking the leftover powder and set it. Tarte blush, it's called Paaarty. Spreading my face with the Rosewater, and then I'm finishing it off with the Becca Champagne Pop. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this eye look, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'. Ice.